In this video, we will cover the boom recirculation feature on the in-command 1200 display. Boom recirculation with RightSpot provides many advantages over standard plumbed sprayer booms. Utilizing boom recirculation on a sprayer can aid in boom priming, cleaning a boom, and mixing product that has settled in the boom. To utilize the boom recirculation feature, your sprayer must be equipped with proper plumbing and an electronic recirculation valve. For more information on the hardware needed and additional tips, please reference the Boom Recirculation with RightSpot article on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. From the Run screen, tap on the RightSpot tab. Then tap the wrench. To activate the feature, tap the Boom Recirculation checkbox. Tap the green check. To enable boom recirculation, tap the icon in the RightSpot tab. Boom recirculation will only take place when the sprayer is in a standby state. Once the sprayer is in a standby state, the remaining recirculation settings will be in effect. Recirculation start delay sets the amount of time the system will wait after standby mode starts. Once that time has been reached, boom recirculation will begin. During recirculation, the system will cycle opening and closing boom valves in pairs, starting with the outermost sections, which will move product through the boom back to tank. The system will then move inward to the next pair of section valves until all sections have been cycled. The amount of time each pair of valves is open will be determined by the section valve's duration setting. Start delay and valve duration can be edited based on the sprayer setup and section width. While boom recirculation occurs, there will be a message in red at the top of the screen. Disabling boom recirculation before starting application is recommended to avoid variable rates and application delays. Now you'll be able to utilize boom recirculation with RightSpot on the in-command 1200 display. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.